Temperatures plunge as a severe winter storm blasts the U.S., snarling travel and prompting emergency declarations. A major winter storm sweeping through much of the central and eastern United States is causing record-breaking temperature drops and harsh snow conditions that have led to flight cancellations, highway closures, and multiple state emergency declarations. The storm is affecting nearly every state, with more than 100 million people across the United States currently under winter weather and wind chill warnings in what the National Weather Service calls a one-time event. Denver experienced a temperature drop of 24 degrees in just 7 minutes on Wednesday afternoon. A 1-hour temperature drop of 37 degrees at Denver International Airport is tentatively the largest ever measured there, according to the National Weather Service in Boulder. And Cheyenne, Wyoming, experienced a temperature drop of 30 degrees in just 10 minutes and a record 43 degrees drop in an hour. Georgia Gov. Brian Kemp declared a state of emergency on Wednesday, saying, "Communities around the world will experience temperatures not seen in a decade or more." Oklahoma Governor Kevin Stitt and Kentucky Governor Andy Beshear also declared a state of emergency Wednesday, and Maryland activated emergency response ahead of the winter storm.